Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the Smarter Balanced practice and training tests from a student's point of view. To start, open up an internet browser. We recommend that you use Google Chrome. Type CASP, CAASPP.org in the address bar and hit return. This webpage is the home base for all information and links related to Smarter Balanced in California. I should note that students can also access the practice and training tests through the Smarter Balanced secure browser if it has been updated on your computers. From the CASP website, however, the students will need to click on Practice and Training Tests and then Student Interface Practice and Training Tests. At the sign-in screen, students can log in using their state student ID and first name. You as the teacher could even open up a practice test session. However, this is not necessary, and a student is able to sign in, leaving everything on this screen as guest. Next, the student will select his or her grade level from the drop-down and click Yes. Here you can see there are 6 types of tests to take: training test, practice test, and performance task, each for both math and ELA. We strongly suggest that the first time around you have your students take the training tests. They are shorter, 6 questions for ELA and 8 or 9 questions for math, and will give you the opportunity to introduce your students to the types of questions and tools that are available. You could even take the test as a whole class or have the students partner up to discuss each question along the way. The practice tests contain about 30 questions each. The performance tasks include a few in-depth questions that will take longer to answer. None of these tests assess all of the standards that will be on the summative assessment, nor do they produce scores. Once a student has selected the test to take, a settings page will appear. This page will not appear in the real test, as these settings will already be configured for the student. For the practice and training tests, this is an opportunity to try out different settings for students with IEPs and 504 plans who may be receiving these supports and accommodations. This will help the student to be familiar with these tools and help them to do their best on the summative assessment. Once a student has adjusted their settings, click Select. The next page relays the settings again, and the student will click Yes, Start My Test. Now we are at the Test Instructions and Help page. You should go over the Overview section with your students to make sure they understand the navigation buttons, menus, and tools in the secure browser. After reviewing the instruction, the student will click Begin Test Now. The first question will load and the student can begin their practice or training test. Thanks for watching.